Hi everyone, I'm Natasha from Team Sephora. I have a huge event tomorrow and I want to look and feel my best. So I'm going to show you my must-haves for hair and skin prep. Before I go in the shower, I like to use a dry brush. This one is from Goop, the G-Tox Ultimate Dry Brush. This is a brush for dry skin that you use all over your body to exfoliate. You know I'm going to be showing a little bit of leg, a little bit of neck, and this is just going to be my saving grace of making me look so smooth and gorge. You may have heard of double cleansing, but I like to double exfoliate. I like to use my tried and true Whey Cleansing Scalp and Body Scrub. I love using this all over my body. It makes me feel super moisturized because it has coconut oil in it, and I just feel like a glowing goddess. I already told you, I am the exfoliation queen. After we're done with the body and we're out of the shower, now it's time for face. I love the Wishful Yo Glow AHA and BHA Facial Enzyme Scrub. I use it all over my clean, dry skin, and this is just gonna take off all the dead skin and create a beautiful, beautiful canvas for your long-lasting makeup, and you will be the belle of the ball. A special step I like to include for my big event prep is using a facial steamer. I'm gonna go in with the Dr. Dennis Gross Skincare Pro Facial Steamer. I find that this helps my skincare products perform better, and I just love the way it makes me feel. A full body moisturizing moment is key for a big event. I like to use the Ole Henriksen Beam Cream Smoothing Body Moisturizer with AHAs, fruit enzymes, and caffeine, and it's just gonna give you that nice, juicy, plump skin. I'm gonna be the softest girl at this event. We're almost done. My next step is the Olaplex No. 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. I apply this on my damp hair, and it's a great prep step for all the styling I'm gonna be doing tomorrow. Having soft lips for a big event is an absolute yes. I love going in with the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I'm gonna let the power of this lip sleeping mask do the work for me as I get a full 8 hours of sleep. I think you understood the assignment. It is smoothing, it is hydrating. Let me know in the comments below if you're gonna try out any one of these products before your big event. I'm gonna go finish getting ready, but don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye.